Hello world, it's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your Bitcoin update. Today, a detailed video. We will check what's going on now. We bought yesterday. I told you guys it's maybe the moment to catch the bottom. I told you yesterday why. In this video, I will tell you, okay, we bought, what's next? Where was the perfect point to buy, and where is maybe the perfect point to set a stop loss position, and where is the perfect point to go out of the trade? We will check this together in this video, so it's a really interesting stuff. I hope you have a lot of information in this video, and I hope I can give you a lot of information for your own decision to check where is the best point to go in, where is the best point to go out, and what's going on with Bitcoin. So guys, let's check this, let's start this analysis, let's start this video now. So guys, first of all, this is my live stream. You know it, I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week with this live stream on Twitch and on YouTube. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and you can see here a lot of interesting informations. We have here on the 1 hour time frame a buy signal now, really interesting, but we're going still sideways. It's really dangerous. We have a big sell here on the 1 day time frame. Every candle is 1 day, and you can see, yes, we have a sell. We have still a sell. We are building green dots, really nice. I will show you what does it mean. And here on the 15-minute chart, it's a really hard chart. Sell, buy, sell. And red dots here. Now that they try to fight back the rubber band, it's a really nice situation for the moment. Also, you can see here what's going on with this Quantify crypto is showing us, okay, we have some green here, some green. Solana is green, DOT is green, Near is green. A lot of information here on this channel, and here the technical analysis for Bitcoin on the top left side. You can see we should sell in 15-minute time frame. We should sell, but I'm not selling now, and I'm telling you now why. First of all, here, real interesting, big, quick overview, quantifycrypto.com. What's going on? Shiba is going up a little bit. It's green, DOT, Near, and Solana. Let's check top 20 coins. Let's check the top winner. The winner of the top 20 coins in 24 hours is DOT. DOT is going up with 2.3%. Near is going up 2.2%. Solana is going up a little bit. And Shiba is also going up a little bit. All other coins are going down. And the biggest loser in the top 20 coins is, no, let me check it again. Here it is. Matic. Matic is going down 5%. Bitcoin Cash is going down. Bitcoin is going down 2%. Bitcoin is the top 3 of the biggest losers in the top 20. So Bitcoin is going down more as the most altcoins. And okay, but guys, we are checking now Bitcoin. I promised you. Yesterday in my video, I showed you, okay, maybe this is the place for bottom hunting. I made a really nice video with not much views, as every time Bitcoin views are really okay, raw. Let me tell it, it's a hard business, okay? But I told you why it is maybe a nice long position. Here we are in a parallel channel to the upside. If we are checking the line chart, what can we see? Let's zoom in a little bit more and more and more. The bad news are we broke the line chart here on this position. It is now not a support, it is now a resistance. So guys, the bad news are, if we are zooming in a little bit more, I can see better, we are still under this red line. We are going down here a little bit. Why this may be a nice long position? Because guys, I told you yesterday, I'm looking for this maybe an inverse left shoulder ahead and the right shoulder. It is possible. And on the daily time frame, we are still here with this candle over our big support, 0.786 Fibonacci line, a really big support, 39,500. I told you yesterday, we need confirmed closing candles over this line. If we will see a confirmed closing candle under this line, this is a really bad stuff. We may go down more and more, but for the moment, this one is holding. 39,500 is holding, and this is maybe a next try to catch the bottom here and to try a next long position. Here was a good point to catch the bottom up. We sold on the upside here. Really nice. The next time is, where is the next point to make a long position? And this was maybe yesterday. Yes, I made a long position yesterday. Why yesterday? Where yesterday? Let me show you. Let's zoom in. 15-minute time frame. I have here a really interesting chart picture. What's going on here? We can watch the 15-minute time frame. Every candle is 15 minutes. 50 minutes. And what can we see? I have here for you the candlestick patterns. These candlestick patterns on TradingView are really, really interesting if you are trying to catch the bottom. Why? Let me show you. First of all, these long wicks to the downside, like this one here, are on the most times a really nice sign for an upgoing price. 15-minute time frame is really hard, but I'm showing you this one here on the 15-minute time frame. These long wicks to the downside are showing you maybe, okay, now it's the time for going up here to the upside. First of all, we saw this one here. It was the spinning top white. This spinning top white is an undecision closing candle. You can see it here, a long wick to the upside, a long wick to the downside, and a small body. So this is maybe the first sign, okay, maybe this selling is ending. Here we are undecision. We have a 50-50 chance to go up and down. The bulls and the bears are fighting really hard. This is showing us this one. So it's maybe the first sign for a trend reversal. The next one was this one here, this engulfing candle. At the end of a given downtrend, there will most likely be a reversal pattern. And this pattern, this bullish engulfing here, is for the most times a sign, okay, we have it. We have the bottom. It's maybe a possible point to make a long position here. And with this bullish engulfing and with this support line, it was my decision to make a long position here. So we made a long position. It's going up here really nice. After this, a long upper shadow, a really bad, horrible pattern with a long wick to the upside. It's telling us for the most times, okay, attention, we're going down. Yes, we went down. Here, the spinning top black, it's showing us maybe, yes, up again. And yes, we went up. This is a really ugly long wick to the downside, long wick. It's stop loss hunting here, and after this we went up, down again, stop loss hunting here, up again. So I told you I made a long position, and yes, I made the long position after this bullish engulfing. I made it here on this point. It was about 39,500. Since this point, I made a long. It's not a really nice position. You can see today 39,560 for the moment. And the big question is, where is the stop loss? And I'm setting my stop loss position here under this point, 39,170. Why? Because this is the lowest low for the moment, 39,170. If it will go down more and more, I'm automatically out of my trade. Yes, I made a little bit minus if we're going down under this point, but it's not much, guys. It's not much. It's a nice try to catch the bottom. It's dangerous. It's going sideways. They are playing with us for the moment. They are hunting our stop losses here and here with this wick to the downside. You can see it really dangerous, but it's not a new low. 39,300 is higher as this point, and that's the point why I'm still in this trade. Lower upper shadows, spinning top blacks. We have a lot of patterns here, and this is the point what I'm showing you today, how you can maybe see a bottom building here. The next point why I saw a bottom here, right shoulder, yes, long time support, yes, really important 0.2786 Fibonacci line, yes, but we have a little bit more indicators. We have the where it is, moving average. Where's the MACD? What's going on here? Oh, too much indicators. Sorry, guys. Let's turn off this one here. MA21 is not so important. Let's turn it off. EMA ribbon band, it's important because we are fighting with the ribbon band for the moment. Really interesting. We are still fighting with the ribbon band. You can see it. We had no confirmed closing. That's also really important, guys. If we will see a nice pump to the upside, what do we need? A confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band for the moment. Spike to the upside, bam, down again. Spike to the upside, bam, down again. Spike to the upside, bam, down again. What can we see? We are building lower highs. It's so dangerous. Lower highs and higher lows. We are forming a little triangle. Before we are checking the indicator, you can see this is now our resistance line. This is now our support line. This is a triangle in the 15-minute time frame, and that's now for the moment really important. Will we break this triangle to the upside? It would be a nice long here. If we will break it to the downside, maybe we are falling down really hard. We need to watch this. If we can break it to the upside, we have maybe the right shoulder and the right nice target. I showed you this target here in my last video. I will not show it today, but it is a really nice target to the upside, but this triangle must fall up or down. If it will fall down, we have a nice stop loss here, 39,100. Maybe we can use a new stop loss now because we had here respect to the downside, 39,280 new stop loss. So we are losing not so much money. Entry point was 39,480 and stop loss 39,280. So you can see it's not so much money that we will lose if we are falling down. But if we are going up more and more, we are in a nice long position. And that's the way I'm trading. I'm trying to catch this one. I have to make 6 trades positive. If we are making 10 trades, you have to make 6 trades positive. This is the thing. This is really important. And normally you have 7, 8 trades positive. And maybe if you have a little loss here, it's not so a big thing, guys. Okay, but I would like to show you the indicator. Where is my MACD? Here, moving average, convergence, divergence. And what is telling us this on the 50-minute time frame? It's not so important, the 50-minute time frame, because it's a hard fight. You can see we had here a cross on this point and we had here a cross on this point. Let me zoom up a little bit more. So, and let's zoom up a little bit this one. Let's zoom out a little bit this one. So we have it now here. One thing why I also made a long position here was because we saw a crossing MACD. The blue line crossed the brown line. We built it here, green candle to the upside. This was a nice thing. And this was also a nice try to catch the bottom here. MACD is helping you. For the moment, we are going sideways. It's really indecision. The triangle is getting closer and closer, and we need to watch what's going on. And the big thing is maybe we can check a little bit more if we are watching the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Here's our triangle. Here is our ribbon band. A lot of resistance here with the ribbon band. We can see it here loud and clear. A lot of resistance, and the MACD is still bullish, but you can see we are fighting. We are going maybe down again. Here a light green, now a dark green. We're going up again. It's a really hard fight. And we saw here also the cross. Blue line over the brown line, MACD still bullish for the moment. Hard fight now. Let's check the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is bearish, but you can see we saw the cross here on this point, since the blue line is on the brown line, but you can also see the red lines are going up. They are not dark red, they are light red, they're going up here. This is also maybe a nice sign for catching the bottom here. This is also here catching the bottom, here catching the highest point, catching the bottom, catching the highest point. You can use this really nice for trading, guys. You can see it here. Maybe this point here, or maybe this point here, you can see it here. It was maybe the highest point. You can sell here 42,000. You can wait what's going on. Deepest point here, MACD is turning here, and the next rebuy 39,400, 500, and up again. That's a nice thing to trade. That's a nice possibility to trade. That's these are all only a 1 or 2 or 5 indicators. There are a lot more, but this is a really important one, the MACD. Okay. Guys, that's enough for the day. I have a lot of more things to talk about, but this is for the day enough. Let me remove these drawings. Let's make a clear view of this one, because one thing is really interesting and really important. We have a bad resistance line and we have a bad bearish downtrend. And this one was here to the downside like this one. It's better to draw it on the 1 hour time frame. Let me check. Yes, it's better to draw it like this one. Here was a parallel channel to the downside. And here we broke it sideways. So we are now in a new parallel channel to the upside. And this is something like this one. This is our new bullish parallel channel to the upside. We have here the middle line. You can see we lost the fight again with the middle line. We need confirmed closing candles. Middle line is the resistance. Ribbon band is the resistance. And yes, of course, it's weekend and most weekends are bloody. So guys, attention, use stop losses maybe under this point. So if we are losing this little parallel channel to the downside, you are out of the trade. It's not much money you are losing, but you are trying to catching this bottom. Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Special greetings to Rudy. Thanks for your nice, lovely comments. Thanks for your support. And guys, have a nice time. Not a financial advice. Yours, Biti. Bye-bye, guys. System activated.